if we can make educations more collaborative, more experiential, and more connected to real-world contexts, then I believe restoration educations can truly prepare us for the challenges ahead, not just as a professionals, but as a change maker for our landscapes and communities. And that is the ideal restorations educations that we envision.
We are now currently developing the curriculum in transdisciplinary and transformative ways. Cannot wait to promote and also launch what already been done by the consortia. And we expected the curriculum to be ready next year. And we'll be happy to share with you online.
From the forest policy, our students that is focusing in forest policy perspective, we see that there is such a small integration of forest policy or other policy and governance into the course itself. So we believe that it should be more integrated into the course, and we should get a hands-on experiences on the forest policy and also to govern the restoration education or to actually do the restoration in the field.